Hi there. It is day 20 of Vlogmas and it's currently 1:30 in the afternoon. I've been over to my Knit and Knatter group this morning and got a little bit more of my fluffy, fine jumper made. Let me just grab it and then you can see where I'm up to. Here we go. It's taking shape slowly. I've done all the stripes and I've started casting off for sleeves on the back. So this might be done by next Christmas at this rate. If you've not seen it before, this is the pattern that I'm making and it is a Rowan Mode pattern and the yarn is alpaca cotton. So it's actually not too pricey compared to some of the other Rowan yarns, but it's taking a while to knit up. So that's what's being knitted in that. So yeah, Knit and Knatter was great. I love going and chatting all things knitting for a few hours. It's nice change from sewing. Steph goes, we all know Steph, and we exchanged Christmas gifts. And we were very naughty. We've not put them under the tree, we've opened them. But it was nice to open them in front of each other and get the true reaction. And Steph got me something fabulous that I've been looking at and resisting. And it's Debbie Shaw's sewing journal made up with this. And it's not just an ordinary sewing journal. We start with how to use your journal, things that make me happy about me, my intentions. So that's what I'm planning on doing in 2025. Body measurements. No, don't like that page. And there's lots of body measurements because they fluctuate. We should always take our body measurements on a regular basis. Page for notes tells me all about fabrics and fabric types, which is going to be interesting because I might find something out I don't already know. All about interfacing, all about how to wash your fabrics, fabrics that are special to me, and you can put little swatches in there. My fabric stash. Not sure mine's going to fit on here because how many pages I've got. I've got quite a few pages, so it might work. My fabric wish list. Dangerous with me, that one. Do I need more fabric? And it's a little poem, so I'll read that to you because this, not read it yet, so I'll have to keep looking at it, but if I'm looking down, forgive me, but I'm sure we're going to chuckle at this one together, so here we go. It's called Do I Need More Fabric? Do I need more fabric? I ask myself each day. My head says no, my heart says yes. My heart always gets its way. Do I need more fabric? Do I have the cash? Is this quite indulgent to keep building up my stash? Do I need more fabric? I see it, I have to have it. Is this just good practice or a naughty little habit? Do I need more fabric? I really have so much. But I only sew with half of it. The rest are just to touch. Do I need more fabric? My cupboards couldn't be fuller. But when I start a project, I just have to have the right colour. Do I need more fabric? You don't have to guess that when I'm asked the question, the answer is always yes. Oh, I love that one. And there's loads of other poems, apparently, Steph was telling me, throughout this book. So, yeah, I think I'm going to be working through this. We can work through it together. If you want to buy or get somebody to get you the Debbie Shaw Sewing Journal, and we'll work through it together. It might be a little project that I do on my YouTube channel next year. Watch this space. But I am going to start filling it out, I think, over the next couple of days and talking to you about what I've put in it. But love it to bits. So what else have I been up to? I had to do 5 gift tags. 5 gift tags all done. I just need to get my scratch cards but in the backs of those, and then I'm all set to do my wrapping. And I've cut out my Christmas Day dress. I just need to get cracking with it because the jacket's done. I just need to make the dress. But I think I'm going to spend a day doing that, probably tomorrow or Sunday, and just get it all done and cracked off. Finished in a day. So I'm not going to be starting that this afternoon. So what am I doing this afternoon? I'm just going to carry on knitting. I'm going to be indulgent. It's miserable outside. It's raining. It keeps trying to sleet. It's absolutely freezing measing. So I'm going nowhere. But before I do my little knitting afternoon, I've got an advent to open, haven't I? And it's a Claire Bear day. So let me grab it. So here we go. This is the Claire Bear one. And it's wrapped in fabric. Oh, don't know what this is. Can you guess what this one is? Let's get this little bag open. These are a bit strange. Clear plastic. Oh, the little key rings. So there should be a front. Oh yeah, there it is. That snaps on there and you can put something inside it. I remember these when I was a kid, and you used to get your photos taken at school, and you could buy the key rings with your little photos in. Not sure what I'm going to put in these, but if you've got any ideas, then please let me know. I've not seen any of these for donkey's years, but yeah, that's a bit different, isn't it? So I've got 2 of those. Need to put my thinking cap on. Open to suggestions. It's not going to be a photo because those photos didn't work, did they? They were too tiny. And my eyes these days, I've never seen them. But if you've got any ideas what I can put inside these little earrings, let me know. So I'm going to go and have a knitting afternoon, see if I can get a bit more of this lovely snuggly jumper done, I think. And I think the other thing I'm going to do this afternoon is get that flipping cushion sorted out and out of Esme's reach. So I'm going to do a bit of hand sewing and a bit of knitting. Let me know what you're up to this afternoon on a miserable day. Well, it might not be miserable where you are, because I know some of you watch me from sunnier climes, and I am so jealous at the moment. It is miserable in the UK. So yeah, might do a bit of present wrapping. I did say I was going to wrap one person's gifts up every day. I have no excuse now. I've got the gift tags and I need to get cracking. So maybe I'll wrap up person number 1 today. And then just keep going and see how I get on. And then I'll have a few to do all in one day at the end, but at least I'm not doing everybody's. That's the plan. So have you wrapped your gifts yet? Have you got a wish list of what you want for Christmas? I don't have a wish list this year. The only thing that I want to do is have a lovely day on Christmas Day with close friends and family. And that's the best gift that I could be given this year. We are going over to the Mill House for Christmas lunch. Sharon is cooking. She's an amazing cook, so I'm looking forward to that one. The only thing I have to do is make the crackers and make the Christmas gravy, because I do the Jamie Oliver Christmas gravy and it is to die for. So I've got that to do. That's on my radar to do Monday, Tuesday. And then Christmas Day, and it's all done for another year, isn't it? So have a lovely afternoon. Love you and leave you, and I will see you all tomorrow for day 21 of Vlogmas. Bye.